Welcome inside a cool-tone contemporary mansion where ultramodern minimal luxury is not just a design choice, but a complete lifestyle experience. From the very first moment you arrive, the atmosphere feels calm, refined, and effortlessly expensive. The exterior sets the tone immediately, with clean architectural lines, expansive glass walls, and a perfectly balanced mix of concrete, stone, and metal finishes. There is no unnecessary ornamentation here. Everything has purpose. Every angle feels intentional. Soft neutral colors dominate the facade, creating a cool, elegant presence that feels timeless rather than trendy. As daylight reflects off the glass surfaces, the home almost blends into its surroundings, making it feel private, exclusive, and quietly powerful. Walking toward the main entrance, the landscaping plays a subtle but critical role. Instead of lush, overgrown greenery, the design leans toward minimal, sculpted plants, linear pathways, and smooth stone textures. Water features gently mirror the architecture, reinforcing the calm, cooling aesthetic. The front door itself is oversized and striking, often crafted from matte wood or dark metal, giving a sense of arrival without being loud. As it opens, the transition from outside to inside feels seamless, as if the exterior design naturally flows inward. Stepping into the main foyer, the first thing you notice is space. Not just physical space, but visual and emotional space. High ceilings create an immediate sense of openness, while large-format flooring in light stone or polished concrete stretches uninterrupted from wall to wall. The color palette remains cool and controlled, with soft grays, warm whites, muted taupes, and subtle charcoal accents. There is an instant sense of calm here, the kind that makes you slow your pace without even realizing it. Natural light floods the interior through floor-to-ceiling glass panels, eliminating the need for harsh artificial lighting during the day. Instead, sunlight softly washes over smooth surfaces, highlighting textures rather than overwhelming them. The walls are clean and uncluttered, often finished in matte tones that absorb light just enough to feel warm while maintaining that modern edge. Nothing feels excessive, nothing feels missing. It is the perfect balance. Moving deeper into the home, the main living area opens up as a continuous flowing space that connects the lounge, dining, and kitchen without visual barriers. This open-plan design enhances the feeling of freedom and modern living, making the home ideal for both quiet evenings and sophisticated gatherings. The living room furniture follows the same minimalist philosophy as the architecture. Low-profile sofas in neutral fabrics sit close to the ground, emphasizing horizontal lines and openness. Accent chairs in leather or textured fabric add subtle contrast without stealing attention. At the center of the living space, a sleek fireplace or statement wall often anchors the room. Instead of ornate detailing, the focus is on material quality. Natural stone slabs, smooth concrete finishes, or dark wood panels create depth through simplicity. Integrated shelving holds carefully selected decor pieces, each one placed intentionally. There is no clutter here. Every object earns its place. As you turn toward the dining area, the design language remains consistent. A long, clean-lined dining table crafted from stone, wood, or composite materials sits beneath a modern chandelier or linear pendant light. The lighting is soft and warm, subtly contrasting the cool tones of the interior to create a welcoming ambience during evening hours. Dining chairs are slim and elegant, offering comfort without bulk. This is a space designed for long conversations, slow dinners, and understated luxury. The kitchen is a masterpiece of ultra-modern minimalism. Cabinetry is handleless, finished in matte or satin textures that feel smooth to the touch. The color palette remains restrained, often featuring shades of gray, white, or soft beige, paired with stone countertops that extend seamlessly into backsplashes. High-end appliances are fully integrated, maintaining clean visual lines and preserving the minimalist aesthetic. Even functional elements like vents, lighting, and storage are carefully concealed to avoid visual disruption. A large kitchen island becomes both a functional workspace and a social hub. It often features waterfall edges in marble or engineered stone, with discreet seating that invites casual meals or conversations. Under-cabinet lighting adds a subtle glow, enhancing the cool, modern mood without overpowering the space. This kitchen is not just about cooking. It is about design, efficiency, and elegance working together perfectly. As we move through the home, corridors and transitional spaces are treated with the same level of care as main rooms. Wide hallways, minimal artwork, and soft lighting ensure that no space feels overlooked. Built-in lighting along walls or floors adds a subtle futuristic touch while guiding movement through the house. Every step feels intentional, every transition smooth and intuitive. Entering the private areas of the mansion, the bedrooms continue the theme of calm sophistication. The primary suite is a true retreat, designed to feel like a luxury hotel blended with a personal sanctuary. Large windows frame exterior views, whether it's landscaped gardens, water features, or city skylines, allowing nature and light to become part of the interior experience. The bed is positioned to maximize these views, often backed by a textured accent wall that adds depth without bold colors. Furniture in the bedroom remains minimal and functional. Floating nightstands, built-in wardrobes, and concealed storage keep the space visually clean. Soft fabrics, layered bedding, and subtle lighting create a cozy atmosphere while maintaining that cool, modern aesthetic. Nothing distracts the eye. Everything encourages rest. The ensuite bathroom feels like a private spa. Large format tiles in stone or concrete finishes cover walls and floors, creating a seamless, luxurious look. Floating vanities with integrated lighting add a sense of lightness, while frameless glass showers maintain openness. Freestanding bathtubs often sit near windows, allowing natural light to enhance the experience. Fixtures are sleek and modern, usually in brushed metal or matte black, adding contrast without overpowering the space. Secondary bedrooms follow a similar design philosophy, each offering comfort, privacy, and a refined aesthetic. While they may vary slightly in layout or accent materials, the overall tone remains consistent throughout the home. This cohesion is what makes the mansion feel thoughtfully designed rather than pieced together. Stepping into entertainment and leisure spaces, the modern luxury experience continues. A home theater, for example, is designed not just for technology but for atmosphere. Darker tones, soft textures, and acoustic paneling create an immersive environment while maintaining minimalist elegance. Lighting is carefully controlled, often hidden within ceilings or walls, to enhance the cinematic feel without visible fixtures. A home office reflects the needs of modern living. Clean desks, built-in shelving, and ample natural light make it both functional and inspiring. The absence of visual clutter allows for focus and creativity, proving that minimalism is not about emptiness, but about clarity. As we move back toward the exterior, the indoor-outdoor connection becomes one of the most impressive features of this contemporary mansion. Large sliding or folding glass doors open seamlessly to outdoor living spaces, blurring the boundary between inside and outside. Patios are designed as extensions of the interior, with similar color palettes, materials, and furniture styles. The outdoor lounge areas feature minimalist seating, fire pits, and subtle lighting that enhances the cool-toned atmosphere after sunset. The swimming pool often becomes the centerpiece, designed with clean lines, infinity edges, or reflective surfaces that mirror the architecture. Water features add movement and tranquility, reinforcing the calm, luxurious vibe of the entire property. As evening approaches, the mansion transforms through lighting. Warm interior lights softly contrast the cool exterior tones, creating a striking visual balance. Architectural lighting highlights clean lines and textures without overwhelming the structure. The home feels alive, elegant, and quietly powerful. This cool-tone contemporary mansion is more than just a place to live. It is a statement of refined taste, modern values, and intentional design. Every detail, from the architecture to the smallest interior element, works together to create an environment that feels luxurious without being flashy, modern without being cold, and minimal without feeling empty. It is a perfect example of how ultra-modern minimal luxury can elevate everyday living into an experience of calm, comfort, and timeless elegance. As you take one final look around, it becomes clear that this home is not chasing trends. It is built to endure, to inspire, and to offer a lifestyle defined by balance, beauty, and quiet sophistication. This is modern luxury at its finest, and once you experience it, ordinary living simply doesn't compare.